How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on your Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Facebook app, then tap on the menu in the top right corner. Once you are in the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Then scroll down in the Audience and Visibility section, tap on Blocking. Here you will see Add to Blocked List and below it who you have blocked. To unblock, tap on the person you want to unblock and tap on Unblock. And so this is how you can unblock someone on Facebook.